Hi there, this is our wee Emco lathe. It was originally a 3-phase lathe and the previous owners recently converted it to single phase. They made a wonderful job of converting it. Must have spent quite a few hours designing and fabricating. You'll see under here they put a nice new 2 horsepower late model motor in there and made a beautiful wee frame up. You manually change the belt over there to give you your high and low range instead of electronically as it would have been once upon a time. So yeah, under there's really nice. Looks like they bought 2 new chucks, a 3 and a 4 jaw. It's got the quick change tool post on it and it ticks over nicely. It's got a reasonable size spindle bore for a wee lathe. So basically the main power isolator here has been disconnected along with your speeds and direction here, and they've gone and put a wee electrical box in here which is your off, forward and reverse, and it's got a wee push button overload there. That's pretty much it. So on the back there it's tidy. Oh, the other thing that I noticed is the wee steady that's on it. It doesn't look original, and someone's made that fit by the look of it. Oh, and the other thing, the compound slide, this section here, it's painted and I don't know why, whether it's original or not. So back of the machine there, it's tidy as you'll see the photographs. It doesn't have a coolant system. You've got your 2 cabinets, obviously your motors under there and then your parts go under there. This tail stock locks there nicely and goes in and out nicely, and that lock's working good and it feels okay up the centre of that. The carriage, nice and easy to move. Cross slider as well is nice and easy and a real minimal amount of play there. The compound slide's nice to move and again a minimal amount of play, and I see it's got a wee degree wheel in there in regards to moving that compound slider on the angle, etc. Got the wee thread indicator there. So I'll start it up and take it through the range. I'll start it up in reverse first. So that's reverse, off, and then normal rotation. It's in the high range at the moment, so I'll take you through 1, 2, 3, 4 in the high range. So we'll be doing 110 RPM now. So I'll engage that feed. So I've got both of those lead screw and feed shaft going at the moment. And I'll engage that lead screw and that carriage is coming this way, and I can change the direction of that, and that sends the carriage that way on that lead screw. So that's engaging and disengaging nicely. Now for the feeds, I pull that out and lift that up, which has engaged the carriage feed going that way, and push that down, and it engages the cross slide feeding in. These wee feed speeds go through nicely, nice and easy to operate and move there. I'll disengage that and disengage that. So there's all the feeds working, they're nice and easy to use. I'll take you through the next speed. So that was 110. So next one is 410. Whoops. Next one 600. And one more to show you which will be the top speed. 2.2. So there's the speed range. It's all ticking over nicely, change is nice, and it's a nice wee setup for someone who just has that single phase power.